everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing a little tutorial on how to use a squatty potty because you will definitely meet one on the race. So, welcome to it.
Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. You get your bucket and dip it in the well. And you pull it out of the well and you fill up your bucket. And then you take your bucket over to the squatty, which in India seems to always be marked by a blue door. Bring your bucket into the squatty, noting that the toilet paper is already present, as is the trash can. I have found that the easiest way to do this is when I go number 1, I face the hole. When I go number 2, I turn away from the hole. Remove all things from pockets.
All things, phones included.
Jeffrey, I'm gonna test.
What, Jeffrey?
So all things, phones included. They will fall into the Squatty Potty. It will happen.
It's not a matter of if,
But when?
but when.
Who wants to do the stance?
I got you.
Okay, Heather's gonna show you the stance.
After removing all things from the squatty potty and turning your flashlight on, because at night you cannot see, you put it here. You will need it. Okay, you set it here. You grab your toilet paper. Okay. Take your pants off. Unlike Tess, I only squat one way. Like this. And then you go.
When your feet go numb, you know you're doing it right.
Yeah, it's happened a few times.
They lose
Especially
all
when
color.
You gotta poop, you're in here for a while.
Yeah.
So you sit here, and you sit here, and then you're done. So you wipe, and you stand up. Do not put your toilet paper down the squatty potty. Put it in the trash can that has now magically disappeared.
It happens all the time.
Then, you grab your bucket. You're probably gonna need the whole thing, especially if you poop. Sometimes it gets stuck.
The more water, the better.
So you pick it up, and you do like this. And then you gag a little. And then you walk out. And
Don't
grab your
forget to
phone.
wash your hands.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Hand washing is very important here in India.
Let me show you our very sanitary soap.
Hand washing
me to
is
show you
easier
how to
when you
wash
have
your
a
hands?
friend.
Yes, I was gonna say it's very hard. So sometimes when it's just you by yourself and you don't have a friend, you just have to do one hand at a time like this. And then you get your little soap and then you go like this. But if you have a friend, watch. Wow. Get your soap with 2 hands.
With 2 hands.
Then you just wash away. Water, please.
Not to fret if there's no sudsing because, well, soap in India doesn't
Doesn't
sud.
do that. And then you're done.
Thank you for that. I should have just splashed you with this.
If it wasn't the last hand.
I do just want to say that in India, there are some times, well, all the time, you're not going to have toilet paper. So you need to make sure that you always have toilet paper or you go buy some toilet paper because otherwise, the little scoopy scoop that you just saw earlier, you just have to splash yourself.
Still haven't figured that one out.
Still figuring that one out, folks. If you figure it out, comment below and let us know. But that's how you squatty, and we all kind of do it in different ways. But for the most part, you just kind of squat like a catcher playing softball or baseball, and that's it. So good luck to everyone who's learning how to squatty.
Love all of you.
Demonstrating
squatties
at night. Not in the squatty.
So I can get the sleepies out of my eyes because I'm tired. Because I poop at 2 in the morning.
With all the mosquitoes.
All them skeeters. Oh, my hips.
You gotta be careful going back up.
Oh, my birthing hips.
Your knees are.
Do boys have birthing hips?
I'm not supposed to.
Yeah,
I'm not supposed to.
Okay.
All right. That's all, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How many?
15.